welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam Punjabi and this is going to be another day, another vlog. Now I know that मैंने previous vlog में आप लोग को hanging रख दिया to be continued लिख के, and I never really said if we tested positive or negative. Let me just put it out there before any of you make any guesses. All three of us, we have tested positive for COVID-19. I know it sounds very scary, but I'm not going to talk much about it in today's vlog because I am making a separate vlog altogether on it, जिसमें मैं आप लोग को सब बता रही हूँ कि you know how I went through it, like my whole recovery journey. Basically the thing is recording everything for you guys, but it's going to be a separate vlog. I am not sure when that vlog is going to go live because मैं अभी भी recover हो रही हूँ. It's only been 5 days. So yeah, मुझे ये I just wanted to say this and get it out of the way. Also I have a really exciting thing to do today. I have a makeup workshop at 10 o'clock in the morning today. It's currently almost 9 o'clock in the morning and I've already had my shower and worn my clothes and everything. It's a makeup workshop, a makeup masterclass or a makeup workshop with Anam Chashmawala. If you don't know already, if you don't know who she is, then I don't know what you're doing. She's a very very famous Indian YouTuber, and she's gonna be taking a workshop and I'm super excited for it. तो उसी के लिए मैं जल्दी उठी हूँ and I just thought of vlogging today. So yeah, I have a couple of things to do before I start with the workshop, and yeah, let's take you guys along with me. So before I start with the workshop, I have to keep aside all the things that we require for the makeup workshop, and they've already provided us with a list of things. तो मैं वो करने वाली हूँ. Number 1. After that I have to shave my face and clear out my nail paint. मतलब इसके नीचे मेरी French manicure gel polish की डाली हुई है and ऊपर से मैंने ऐसे येलो पेंट कर रखा है. I feel like I'm not liking this too much. तो मैं इसको चेंज करूँगी, फेस अपना शेव करूँगी एंड वो सारे मेकअप एंड स्किन केयर आइटम्स निकाल के रखूँगी. सो या, लेट्स गो. So the first thing I do before I start shaving my face is use some aloe vera gel. मैंने actually in depth में already एक video बनाया हुआ है on how I shave my face. If you guys want, I will leave a link to it down in the description box. तो आप जाके देख सकते हो कि मैं कैसे अपना फेस शेव करती हूँ.
Hi Neelam vlog, how are you guys? She's learned how to do her base really well today and going back with hopefully lots of tips. So Neelam, I'm going to wait for some makeup videos from you now.
For sure. Thank you so much, Anam.
My pleasure.
Hi again. I just finished the workshop with Anam and it was such a helpful workshop. I really liked it. There were so many new things I learned about my base makeup and a few things that I was doing wrong and stuff like that. Not wrong, but I could have done it differently, you know. And yeah, all in all it was a very good workshop and I really enjoyed it. And the fact that it was like a one-on-one thing, you know, like there were like hardly 5 to 7 participants, and you know, like the way she was paying attention to each and every one of us, like in detail, at each and every step, it was just commendable. I really liked it. And yeah, that was it about the workshop. I actually got a few parcels from Myntra, so मैंने सोचा let me just unbox it in front of you guys. Unbox it, not really, but like just open them up. I'd ordered a couple of tops from them, so ये वही सारे tops आए हैं. So let me just open them one by one for you guys. This is the first one. It's like a kurti top. I don't know if you can see, but ऐसे थोड़ा peplum type का है नीचे से. एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. यू नो ऐसे स्लीव्स में भी थोड़ा ऐसे फ्रिल दिया हुआ है. एंड या it's a cute top. I like all of these tops were so inexpensive. I mean, of course I don't remember the prices now, but ये सब 400 to 700 800 के आसपास के थे, which is a good thing. मुझे हमेशा से येलो कलर बहुत पसंद है. येलो, आई फील लाइक येलो टॉप, येलो ड्रेसेस मुझे बहुत पसंद है. दिस इज़ अनदर वन ऑफ दोज पेपलम स्टाइल्स where it's straight from the top and then flares out at the bottom. And yeah, all in all I really like the top. It's cute. ऐसे यहाँ पे buttons दिए हुए हैं, if you can tell, and the sleeves are also like frilly. It's this beautiful floral top. I don't know if the length of this top is appropriate for my body type. I think it's going to be a little shorter for me. Sorry, but any which ways I really like the print. I like the v-neck and stuff like that, and it also has a cinch over here near the waist area. It's a transparent one. Now that I look at it, it's pretty sheer, but anyway I don't mind it. I can wear like a spaghetti or a tank top inside, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It's more like a formal top. It gives a very formal vibe. It has like full sleeves and a tie up over here. Yeah, pretty basic, nothing major. I just found out I have one more top. I got this because of its color. I don't know if it's gonna look nice on me or not, but this is how it looks like. The material is really nice. I think it's cotton or cotton blend, but it's a very soft material. I like the print. I like the whole frill detailing at the neckline. It's cute. I'm a little worried about the length of the top. I don't like my tops to be short for some reason. So yeah, I'll have to try these tops to see if they really look good on me or not. Okay, so I tried on those tops that I showed you, and out of which I think I'm only keeping 2 tops. One was that yellow top, the full yellow one, and वो एक Indian top जो था ना, कुर्ती top, मैं वही 2 रख रही हूँ. बाकी के मुझे इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे. This is what happens with me. मैं bulk में इतने सारे कपड़े मंगा लेती हूँ, and trust me, this is not my first order. I ordered like 10-15 tops together, and this was just one of the order that arrived today. And उसमें से मैं आधे कपड़े तो वापस ही भिजवा देती हूँ, और मेरी मॉम सोचती रहती है इतने कपड़ों का करती क्या है. बट या मैं सारे कपड़े नहीं रखती अपने पास. आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू ऑर्डर इन बल्क एंड देन रिटर्न थिंग्स एज एंड व्हेन, यू नो, मुझे जमा नहीं जमा उस हिसाब से. एनीवे, द पॉइंट इज़ इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 2 PM राइट नाउ, एंड आई एम सुपर हंग्री. आई वाज जस्ट आई वाज looking at my to-do list कि मुझे क्या क्या करना रह गया है and all of that. So yeah, I have to clean my makeup brushes today, which was totally not on my mind. I will see कि मैं वो कब करती हूँ. Definitely मैं अभी नहीं करूँगी. मैं खाना खाने के बाद अपनी दवा लूँगी एंड फिर मैं थोड़ा रेस्ट करूँगी, because of the COVID thing हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आती है एंड लेज़ी फील होता है, एंड मेडिसिन भी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई पावर की हैं. So yeah, I cannot exert too much in this condition. So my makeup brushes, I think I will clean them today itself, but I think I'm going to clean them in the evening after I wake up from my afternoon nap. So yeah, that's the update for you guys. So it's currently 10:15 PM in the night right now. I've had my afternoon nap, which was a very long one. I woke up at 6:30. But yeah, that's what medicines tend to do to you. And now I have to clean my makeup brushes. This is my pouch full of makeup brushes that I've been meaning to clean for the past 2-3 weeks now, I guess, almost a month. There are so many makeup brushes. So yeah, I'm gonna go and clean them, and I'm gonna show you guys how I clean them and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. So these are all my makeup brushes that I need to clean today. And I've just made some soap water into this mug thingy, and इसमें मैं एक एक ब्रश अपना डिप करूँगी like this, and फिर इसे अपने हाथ पे, because I don't have like a brush cleaner or a mat जिसमें ब्रशेस क्लीन होते हैं, तो मैं इसको ऐसे डिप करके अपने हाथ पे रब करूँगी until you know the water starts running clear. Only then you know that your brushes are clean. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so all my brushes are clean, including my beauty blenders. Now just a quick tip that every time you clean your brushes or wash your brushes, make sure कि you know you're keeping them flat on the surface and ऐसे खड़ा करके कहीं सूखने मत रखना. So like I was saying, since your brush is still wet, if you keep it like this ऐसे vertically, the water from the bristles might seep into the brush, which is not really good, and वो glue को बहुत loose कर देगा, जिसकी वजह से the bristles are still attached. So yeah, just a quick tip: lay down your brushes flat on a surface till they're all dried up. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family and help me grow. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and yes, I shall see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.